Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper of Windows 10. For that, we need to right click on our mouse and just select personalize. So as you can see, here is some of pictures. Make sure the background option set in picture. Otherwise, you can find solid colors. By that, you can set solid colors in background. And if it's set in slideshow, then you can set multiple pictures for making slideshow one another. So we're going to set pictures. So click on picture, and if you choose any picture from this list, you can set it. So if you want to set your custom picture or your own picture from your computer, then click on browse and you can browse your picture. In my case, I'm going to select this one and click on choose pictures. So that's how you can set your own picture in your Windows 10. If you want more step-by-step tutorial like this, then don't forget to subscribe this channel.